Bitcoin is expensive to transact, and so this company is taking it to the next level where Toshi wanted to, where everyday transactions can be done with Bitcoin.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
That's exactly what they did. Is they launched their own wallet. So as you can see in the ecosystem, there is a crypto mobile wallet, the Bolter Bitcoin for retail payment. So as you can see, we have the best crypto wallet. Some argue that non-custodial wallets are the best because they offer users more control. On the other hand, certain individuals stand firm with more user friendly. This is where you can send and do all your transactions. You can hand over, accept, burn friendly custodial wallets. So as you can see, this is quite easy to use. They have the sign up for account if you click on that launch button here, but it is just, it looks pretty nice, and they have all the functionalities that people have been wanting for a custodial wallet. They also have a node system that reduces the cost of development. I mean, if we look right here, just to run a full node, you need about 1 terabyte of data or storage. And if you're someone from a place that might not have access to 1 terabyte storage, unless it's like iCloud, this way you can actually run on, I believe, only, right here, 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM to operate and 2 to 10 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty insane. This is the difference between the terabyte, the light node and a full node. So much more that they have to offer, and you're able to create your own tokens. Just so much awesome things within this platform. But I want to go up right here, because if we go to the top and you can see get your TET token, download the SoftNote app. Look at how many exchanges, decentralized exchanges they're actually on: Gate, XT, Biteconomy, Bitrue, Swing.xyz, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. Just today, just a massive run, 2%. That's amazing. You can get it on Uniswap, Maxi, BitGet. So it's just amazing what this project has done. Winner of the Best Blockchain Innovation Award of 2024. So you definitely know they're doing major things. They have their TET token, the blockchain, Explore, the SoftNote, SoftNote Cash, SoftNote app, wallet. Just so much going on with this project. So in summary, guys, this project is going insane. It is the fastest blockchain for all industries. So it says a lightning fast distribution ledger on the world's fastest blockchain. Their Tectum token will get you inside the ecosystem. You will need their SoftNote wallet. So just be mindful that like I said, it is on their own blockchain. So it is lightning fast, 500,000 transactions a second, which is insane. This is their Explorer, so you can definitely see what is going on. They have their pitch deck here, which I highly recommend you go through this, because look at the liquidity in the system, the transaction, what it's all about. It's on Bitcoin. Definitely read this pitch deck. It is very insightful and well put together. Definitely something to look through. And then import, fill. So a lot going on here. They even have a AI assistant, which is pretty insane. Like I said, they are doing a lot, and I definitely would want to look into this project a little bit more. And so as you can see here, Tectum SoftNote reaching Satoshi's goal of making Bitcoin usable for retail transactions. And that's amazing, because if we can go to the supermarket or to retail store and use a credit card which has our Bitcoin on it, and we can use it for whatever, like we have our ledger, we can transact, we have our phone with our MetaMask wallet or whatever that wallet is for you, and we're able to use it for retail transaction. That is amazing. They're really taking Bitcoin to that next level, allowing for really just a ecosystem of fast transactions, cheap and inexpensive transactions, the ability to run a node at much less expensive than anywhere else. You're able to do peer-to-peer transferring. They have their own wallet. So everything built in for taking really Bitcoin to that next level. Remember to start minting your soft notes right now, because you don't want to miss out on this. You know what they say when you get in early in crypto projects. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.